Hello and good day all. This is Mark Bakker from the Netherlands. I'm going to create a lot of videos on how to manage Windows, Linux and such, mainly remotely. Um, and basically I'm doing this in my spare time, so don't criticize my videos too much. If you don't like them, then don't watch them, I guess. Uh, so yeah, I'm doing this all in my free time and I'm trying to hand over some information I gathered in the time I was administering Windows systems. I've done that for a very long time, by the way. I'm still doing that now, but I'm mostly involved in automation on Linux and Windows these days. But I have a long history of managing a lot of systems on an extremely large scale as well. And yeah, I thought it was perhaps uh, valuable for you guys if I share this knowledge. So basically, I'm going to create a lot of videos on how to manage basically Windows and also Linux later. So I hope you like my videos. So keep watching. Thanks.